Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2017 Ford Edge SEL all-wheel drive, stock number E1910P. Only 17,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Color is called Blue Jeans Metallic. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. It's a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera along with rear parking sensors. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Split seat back, folds down with the push of a button. Giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SEL has keyless entry along with touchpad entry. Power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 17,000 miles. We have driver information system controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls. Easy to operate radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control. USB connectivity. Automatic transmission. And lots of storage space in the armrest. Spacious glove box with all the owner's material inside. Under the hood, this Edge has a 3.5 liter V6, 280 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and approximately 75% of tire tread left. For more information on this Edge, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.